What's up, guys? We're gonna do the craziest thing I've ever done in my life. We're gonna do a solo trip to Japan. I'm going to Japan all by myself. I kind of kept it a secret from everyone that I know, all my friends, the public. You know, I didn't post about it, nothing. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and I've always wanted to go. I've always wanted to do a solo trip, so why not do both right now? This is just me being spontaneous, me trying to do something that I've always wanted to do. It could be the worst decision I ever make, could be the best. And the video quality should be way better. Alright, so now we're chilling in the massage chair. About to eat some crappy Subway because I thought that was the only thing open. So basically, this is how I did my research to go to Japan. I screenshotted a bunch of restaurants. I watched anime my whole life. Tokyo Drift. That's about it. I have a bunch of crazy stuff planned. We're in Taiwan after a long, like 12-hour flight. I saw some bubble tea, bro. You know I'm trying to sip on that bubble tea. I've been cutting for the past like 3 months. I haven't had bubble tea in forever. All right, so now that we're in Taiwan, I met some cool people right here, and they're gonna show me some Taiwanese food. So I'm about to go eat that. You got some tea, yo. That tea was fire, bro. You already know that. I just got done with the cut, so. My fat ass ain't done yet. There's like some chocolate heat, bro. I'm about to open that bitch up, and you already know. Can't skip out on the boba tea, bro. Alright, so I literally just used this card, the Suica card that I just bought. And you can use it to buy anything on the vending machine and gas stations. I'm gonna use this Suica card to go everywhere, to do everything. Basically trains, buses, like little like vending machines at food places. And yo, I literally just got this by just tapping the card on there. That's wild. I'm gonna go get the train and I'll see you guys in Tokyo. Sick. That's sick. I'm not gonna get tired of that. They got these things everywhere, dude. Like every street corner. This is so convenient, dude. I'm gonna get fat here, dude. I'm gonna be getting big, bro. Hey, abs. Can say bye-bye. I'll get it back when I get back to the USA, baby. Made it to the first hotel. This is gonna be my hotel for like the first like 6 days, and it's cute, it's compact a little bit, it does the job, and the hotel itself is really nice, and I got this for about 50 bucks a night. You wanna see what 100 grand looks like? 100 G's? You ever seen 100 G's in your life? See the bag I've been carrying this whole time? That's 100 G's straight cash. This is the 100 G's of yen. Definitely not even close to 100 G's in America. We're about to go sightseeing. I'm gonna try to go see a few sights. And after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go to the club or something. All right, so your boy's all freshened up. Let's get the show started. On the way back, you know, we're probably gonna get some essentials because we got the fridge in here. About to leave the shrine. I'm so glad I came here. Honestly, since it's literally like a 4-minute walk, I might come here every day. Like, you guys think I'm playing, but I'm like really corny, alright? So like, I'm thinking, let's go to Tokyo Tower. It's supposed to be up until 11, that's what Google Maps says, so let's try it out. And at night, it's supposed to be so pretty because it's lit up and stuff. Let's say goodbye to the shrine and let's walk down it together. It's like beautiful, dude. Oh my god. I'm like recording it. This is wild. On the way to this station, there's a ramen place. I was like, bro, screw vending machine. I need to have ramen, bro, while I'm here.
It's real nice in there.
Yeah.
It makes it creamy, and then I would say go also with maybe negi, which is.
Konnichiwa. Cool.
Oh,
Oh, air conditioning. Thank you so much.
yeah, no problem.
I'll see you around probably. Look what I caught, bro. Fat new gorilla pod. The old one was wobbling. I bet you could notice during my vlogs it just fall over. So yeah, I'm hyped. This store is famous. Like, bro, this big camera store is an insane, giant camera store with every single thing you need, bro. This thing's huge. And so I had to go, bro. All right, do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. What am I tapping this? Bam. Oh, shit. As you guys saw, it's vending machine style. So you click on something, like you click on your order, and you click on add-ons too. So I clicked on another thing to add on eggs, clicked on another thing to add something else on. It was lit. Then after that, if you didn't want to do that, you can also write your order down. There's like a paper and a pen, and you just write your order, they put it on the desk, and then it comes and takes it. And it's at one of those like chill little spots. So it's like one long table, and everyone just sits right next to each other, where you're like kind of sitting alone, but you don't have, but you know you can be sitting next to your homies. And so it was just good, and I forgot to record it because right when it came out, your boy's trying to devour. I took a quick snap. So ladies and gents, after walking the wrong way multiple times, breaking another sweat, doing over 10,000 steps today, easy. We're at Tokyo Tower. And we might as well go to the top because YOLO. I mean, I need to spend some money up in this busy. Welcome to Tokyo Tower, baby. Oh, shit. Oh my god. This is the place for pics. Holy shit. My reaction is absolutely speechless, bro. This is insane. I gotta change the battery on this camera. Then I'll continue vlogging. Holy crap. That's just what I'm looking at right now. It's beautiful. That's my view right now, bro. That's insane. Whole another floor of litness, and check this out. This is the best part right here. What? Hella wild. Back to the city views, bro. It's hella pretty. Like, I didn't want to leave, but I missed the gift shop, so now I can't buy any gifts. I would just sit here and just watch the city for a little bit. I swear I could live here, dude. This place feels like home. Home 2.0 right here. Yo, so it's still the first day. I'm at home in my hotel, and I didn't go home till like 12:30. So yeah, 12:30 plus. I'm super tired because I haven't slept in over like 24 hours. When I did sleep, I only slept for like 5 hours on a plane. And then the whole week before, I just haven't slept. Super tired from freaking walking everywhere, doing so much. Jet lag, all that. I did go to the Konbini. Konbini is gas station. And gas stations here are lit, bro. So apparently gas station food's amazing. I'll eat this. It's like a fried chicken rice ball thing in seaweed. Then after that, I know this is gonna be good because I love desserts. Your boy loves his desserts. You know your boy's fat. You know you guys are watching a true fat boy at heart. We'll go see if there's like some anime on this TV because we're in Japan, dude. Eating this literally tastes like sushi. Like the aftertaste of sushi. When you first bite into it, actually, I don't know. The whole thing just tastes like sushi with like chicken inside the sushi. It's weird. That just tastes like butter bread with raisins, so that's heat. This is alright. I think if I ate it fresh, because it's been like 40 minutes. If I ate it fresh, probably would have been like a 7.5 out of 10, but it's like a 7 out of 10. That's like an 8 out of 10. I'll see you for that next vlog, baby. If you enjoyed this vlog, I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like, comment, subscribe for more, and share the video if you thought it was dope.
Like and subscribe.